I am super excited to show you guys our new fall winter colors for 2025. These things are absolutely beautiful, and we leaned very heavy into the fashion world to bring you these colors. I'm gonna show you what they exactly look like and how you can combine them. We're gonna start with Say Ah. This is a beautiful, beautiful Arctic gray blue. Think of a kind of a stormy day with just a beautiful gray with just the tinge of blue. Next, we're gonna pull one of my favorite colors for the season, and it's something I really need to do. It's called Drink More Water. This is just a stunning dark teal blue. You can see I always love to tell a good story, and you can already see the color combos coming to life. Next, we have Plushie Fund. Now, I could tell you how this is a beautiful amethyst purple, but really, it's purple, guys. Not too much to it. We just were missing a purple from our collection. Next up, we have Mechanical Bull. Western colors are hot right now, and this is the perfect color for it. The perfect color for fall. It's got that beautiful brown tone with just a touch of orange. Then we have Mother Nurture. This is just a stunning forest green. Green can be hard to wear, but this just is going to look amazing on everybody's skin tone, and it is perfect for the holidays. Next up is Something Stranger. Now, this is absolutely my favorite color. I had to have this. I didn't care if we came out with any of the other colors, though I love them. I had to have a black cherry. This is a hot 2025 winter color in fashion world, and it just works beautifully for nails also. It's this deep, almost black color that just has the perfect amount of purple red. Whether you want to wear them alone or you want to mix and match, sometimes that's really hard to do. But if you look to fashion, fashion will always show you what colors go together. Right now, if you look, this like light blue gray is paired beautifully with this dark teal, but you could also throw in this rust brown. Beautiful combo. I have so much clothing right now that has those colors. Also this dark teal blue with this beautiful purple. Perfect. Jewel tones usually go together very, very well. And then I love this combo. This rusty brown with this hunter green. Maybe not something you would expect, but look to flannels. Flannels always use these colors. Absolutely stunning together. And then the black cherry, this is gonna pair really well with a lot of this. Look at it with that Arctic blue, with the dark teal blue. Look at it with the purple. The rest, I might not go there, but that's okay. 1 out of the 6 that's not gonna work, it's gonna be just fine. But look at it with the green. You can wear them by themselves, combine them, mix and match, look to fashion for your inspiration. No matter what, these colors are the perfect trend colors for the year, and you're gonna be in style. Because we are who we are, we can't just launch these. We have to give you a deal. So we are launching these, all 6 colors, 1 bundle, value of $66 for $35. You don't have to think about which ones you want, just get all 6 of them. This is a must-have bundle during Black Friday because I don't think it's gonna be around very long. 1 deal, $35, you are set for fall winter colors.